Welcome back to another BRG profiling video. This video is going to be a bit different. This time I'm profiling some CNC work that my son Sean has done. Now back in the day, I had a customer, Nabil Hache, come into my shop and wanted to put a ZX79 motor in his ZX750 chassis. Back then, there wasn't any Google, so the research that we were able to do was pretty limited. But what we found was pretty scary. People that were doing this conversion would just cut a big notch in the frame to accommodate the different location of the oil plate on the 900 cylinder head. The motor has an oil line that goes from the oil pan to the cylinder head, and not thinking where the notch was, this was taking all the strength out of the left-hand spar. And then they would weld up the cylinder head and re-drill them so the motor mounts would fit. I figured there had to be a better way, and there was. We came up with the BRG 79 kit. We were able to take a 900 motor and put it in a 750 chassis without any cutting, welding. We made it a bolt-in affair. We sold hundreds of these back in the day. Nowadays we're not selling so many, but my son decided that he wanted to upgrade the oil plate by making it on a newer CNC. And as you can see, the results were spectacular. The video was made to profile what Sean can do with a CNC when he's properly motivated. Very nice job, son. Sean started off with building a program in SolidWorks, then taking it and testing it on the 3D printer. Good positive results, and again, very nice job. This is the back side of the oil plate where the oil actually goes into and gets transferred into the cylinder head. Also, if you haven't guessed, Sean is a senior mechanical engineering student at Cal Poly, and this work was done on their CNC machine as a class project. This is absolutely first-rate school.
Looks really good. I'm gonna go see how the oil O-ring fits in here, but getting some progress, Dad.
This is where we drill through the oil plate for the oil hose channel.
This flat
The
here
way we used to do it was on a standard mill, and we'd have to eyeball it.
And so
not anymore.
This is the profile that I cut into the soft jaws from before. And so I just need to locate. Probably just need one bolt here, but got some other ones for future reference. Rigidity. And all I need to do is touch off home location right here, and automatic program can take care of this guy. So I just need those bolts. Tap this thing, and here's your 4th axis craziness. They're machined.
This part here, for me, is probably the coolest, where the machine is actually doing the tapping, and it's not being done by hand anymore. Just amazing. This is a shot of my old Bandit Lagoon mill. This compared to the new equipment nowadays, kind of the difference between a Model T and the Space Shuttle. This is the oil fitting that goes down onto the oil pan. But you look past the utility of the part and you look at the beauty. It's literally a work of art. I want to thank you all for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the like button and have a great day.